Open Doc Scanner application. If you do not have this, you can download from Google Play Store. Then click on camera button to take your documents picture. To make PDF, focus on it. Then click the picture of your document. Clicking camera capture button. You can resize, crop your document. If you are okay with this, then click continue. Take another picture of your document by clicking the camera capture button. As before, click continue to take another picture. Again, click camera capture button. In this way, you can take multiple pictures of your document. Click continue. Once you are finished, you can click on right button. Click on share button. Share entire document. Choose on PDF option. Click this name to rename your document. You can give any name to your document. This is one of the example. And click on OK. Click on share button. Choose Gmail to send through Gmail. You need to type your email address in from and recipient email address where you want to send into, and then you can click on send button. Then you are done.